Beam SL proudly presents the Magic Beam 19, an extremely powerful lead wash. The pure hybrid 330 has a special double prism. The Impact Beam 17R is our most powerful beam moving head. The Zeus is definitely our hybrid hero with its 440-watt lamp. The Helios is an LED hybrid moving head with linear CMY. The Goliath is a powerful beam spot wash with linear prism. The Magic Zoom 19 has a zoom range from 6 to 66 degrees. The Magic Beam 7 is pixel dimmable. The Pegasus has a unique linear zoom effect. The Twist Beam 2R, our compact but powerful beam moving head. The Pure Spot 120 LED is the new generation LED spot. The Light Ink MHR beam is a cost-efficient beam moving head.